Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to restore SQL Server databases. So to restore database, first I will go to SQL Server Management Studio and then we will check the version of SQL Server. Here we will connect to the database engine and the server name is this one. Click on connect. Now click on new query and here we will write a query to check the version of the SQL Server database engine. You can execute this query by pressing Alt plus X, or you can also execute from here, or you can also execute by using a shortcut F5. This is your SQL Server version, Microsoft SQL Server 2019. So we will go on internet and we will download the AdventureWorks. To download the database, you will go on Microsoft website. It is available there. We will search for AdventureWorks database. I will provide the link of the sample databases in video description. To download it, just click on AdventureWorks 2019. You can see there are multiple backup files are available. Some of are the OLTP, some of are the data warehouse, and some of lightweight. So to download it, you have to just click on the provided backup file. The download is started. Once download finish, the backup file will be available in the download folder. There are multiple ways to restore the database. One is using SQL query and another using graphical user interface. To restore the database, we need the path of the backup file. So I am showing here how to restore the database using graphical user interface. Just right click on the databases and then click on the restore database option. It will open one more window. You can see there are two options. One is database and another is the device. To restore database from the existing database, you can select the database option. But in our case, our backup file is on device, so we will select device option. And then at the right side, you can see three dots. That is the browse option. We will click on it to look at our database backup file. Default, it will redirect us to the backup folder. This is the backup folder. You can copy and paste the backup file here, or the other way you can provide the whole path of from the download folder. To get the file path, you can right click on a particular file and from there you can get it. Here you can paste that backup file path. Click on OK, and to check the validity of backup file, you can click on the verify backup media. Backup media verified successfully message on top. To change the location of MDF and LDF files of a database, then you can tick mark that options, and from here you can change it. In our case, we will not change it, so I am unchecking that option. These are the logical file names, and you can see by default view configuration here. On option you can see like different restoration options. In future videos I will explain what are the meaning of these different options. Now in our case we will select a restore with recovery option. To restore the database using script, then just click on the script option, add SSMS, and the scripts will be created. And from here, if you execute this script, the database will be restored. Now we will restore with the GUI option. Click on OK and you can see database name restored successfully. At left hand side you can see the database name which is successfully restored. In case if you are not able to see it, just refresh it, you will get the database name, and here you can expand the tables. You can see the different table names are available. To read the records, just right click on any database and then select top 1000 rows. So here you can see in new query window you can see the records. So that's it, you have successfully restored the database.